Let's take a moment to create your Authy account to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on the Seed platform. As a reminder, this security layer is strongly recommended for your next connections.
After downloading the application on the device of your choice, App Store, Google Play, Windows or Mac, proceed to create your Authy account by providing a valid phone number and your email address.
Confirm the entered phone by choosing the verification method of your choice, call or SMS. In order to finalize the configuration of your Authy account, click on the plus button in the center of the window.
You will then be asked to store your encrypted copies in the Authy cloud. We recommend that you activate the reservation because if you lose your device, you can easily recover the data. So enter a dedicated password that you will need to remember, then click on Enable Backups. Reconfirm the previously chosen password.
Here, your Authy account is created. You can now activate your 2FA by referring to the Profile and Security video. All you have to do is add your new authentication account using the two methods, by scanning a QR code from your mobile device or entering a manual key, if you are using a computer.